Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'll be showing you a Swype alternative called TouchPal Keyboard. And if you don't know what Swype is, it's basically a new type of keyboard that will let you write things faster. And Swype costs money, so if you don't want to pay for it, you can always get TouchPal Keyboard right here in the Play Store. It's free, and basically, instead of just going and clicking all the buttons, you can basically slide everything, so it's faster. And yeah, you can also use voice recognition if your phone has that. And there's numbers and everything, all the symbols. You can go and read the details over here if you want on the thing, Yeah, so just go and install that. It shouldn't be too hard. So now let me show you how it works. Right, I'm gonna use Inkpad, Keynote, or whatever. Just make a new one. So basically, instead of going touch pal, oh, the fudge balls. Instead of doing that, it's doing spaces and stuff. Instead of doing that, you just gotta go. Oh, fudge, I messed. Okay, wait. Try again. Okay, so just go like touch pal keyboard. See, it's way faster. And I saw a feature where if you want to prediction off. Yeah, so you just gotta basically slide everything. I don't think you can't slide numbers. And if you want, you can. Oh yeah, so here's basically, you can also do copy paste, select, and delete, backspace, all those through here. You got settings over here. Yeah, so we went through that. What the fudge balls, my bad. And oh yeah, so let's try out the voice recognition. Okay, so you gotta allow access for that. So we'll try it one more time. What should I say? I like to sharpen pencils. Yeah, see, and then it gives you a nice option there. You can go and click on that, and it'll automatically paste it in for you. So this here was kind of a quick guide on TouchPal Keyboard. It works basically the exact same like Swype. And I don't think it has Swype part of the dictionary. But if you want, you can. Oh yeah, here's how you add things to the dictionary. Oh, it has that. So if you want something like swag in it. Oh, it has swag. We need something. Okay, frags. Oh, it has that too. You can basically you can basically go and touch to save it. And then now if you write frags, it should automatically do it. So yeah, this basically works the exact thing like Swype. It doesn't really lag your phone or anything. Yeah, so it's fine. It's free. It's a good alternative, and get it and have fun typing. See you next time.